Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log out of your Top War game. So let's go ahead and find out how. Simply open your Top War application and make sure that you're inside the main homepage. Wait for the game to load on your device, which will only take a few minutes. Once you end up in this main homepage, simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left hand corner. This will then open up your profile page. Now tap on Accounts at the top, and in the Account tab, you'll be able to see this interface. Since there is no logout button inside the Top War application, you won't be able to log out of your account, but instead, you can unbind the account that you've connected to Top Wars with in order to disconnect from it. So go ahead and tap on the disconnect button appearing on the screen. If you've logged into Top War with Facebook, you can disconnect from Facebook accounts. If you've connected Top Wars with Game Center, you can tap the disconnect button right next to the Game Center logo at the top. Soon after you do that, click on OK and you'll be able to disconnect or log out of Top War with one of the accounts that you've connected it with. If you ever want to get connected back again, you can simply choose one of these two options from Facebook to Game Center. So that's how you can easily do it. Disconnecting from one of your binded accounts will also erase the game progress that you've made with the connected account. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.